Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see GTA 5 on 2 GB RAM and 1 GB GPU, smooth 60 FPS on a low-end PC. I'll show you guys the settings. Just press the escape key and go to settings and go to graphics. Select the DirectX version. Change it to DirectX 10 using right arrow key and screen type change it to full screen and resolution change it to 1280 into 720 and refresh rate set it to 60. FXWA set to on. VSync set it to off. And using the down arrow key, you can see these settings. Population density set it to low, and population variety set it to low, and distance scaling set it to half. Texture quality set it to normal. Shaders quality set it to normal, shadow quality normal, reflection quality normal, water quality normal, and here as you can see MSWA. If you have this option, then turn it off. Particles quality set it to normal, soft shadows set it to sharp, and post effects set it to normal. Anisotropic filtering turn it off. Ambient occlusion turn it off. After changing all these settings, select the apply changes option and select yes. The game need to be restored. As you can see, select this option and restart the game. And this is the final look, guys. And now you can play the game without having any problem. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.